Shiba Inu Coin and the overall cryptocurrency market seeing a beautiful spike in volatility today. Not volatility to the downside, not a move to the downside, but finally a nice spike to the upside. Bitcoin touching $30,000. This is a major level of resistance, guys, that if broken through, we are really going to see Bitcoin taking off. Shiba Inu Coin testing 730, almost 740 points per coin, as investors are very excited. But then, of course, the excitement faded away very quickly as well. So we're going to be talking about the cause of that spike up this morning. We're also going to be talking about Shiba Inu Coin burn numbers in this video because those are spiking as well. We could finally be on the right track. And even though we're not going down that path just yet, we're one step closer, and we have confirmation that that is exactly what the market is expecting, and that is exactly what the market will do. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Now, guys, let's first go over, we're going to talk about the burns on Shiba Inu Coin towards the end of this video, but listen to this headline right here. Bitcoin surges more than 8% as Cointelegraph reports the SEC approves a spot Bitcoin ETF. Quotes, fake news. Guys, there was a lot of, I guess, questioning going on this morning as Bitcoin surged to 30,000. Shiba Inu Coin was ripping higher as well, and almost immediately after, it dropped back down. Now, that was on news of a spot Bitcoin ETF being approved. We got news a couple of days ago that the SEC was not going to appeal the grayscale Bitcoin ETF and the decision that the court made there. Now, that led a lot of people to believe that we are one step closer to seeing these spot Bitcoin ETFs approved. So we got some news that was tweeted out and posted and articles written today that BlackRock saw their Bitcoin ETF finally approved by the SEC, but that did not happen. So I don't know if somebody accidentally clicked post on an article that they had written in anticipation of being first one to get that one out there. Once the approval does come through, I don't know if it was a misinterpretation or what the deal was, but Shiba Inu Coin soaring higher. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, all of the cryptocurrencies out there soaring higher on this news. What does that tell us? That tells us when the news finally does come out, what are we going to expect? The price is going to soar. We've already got a taste of what's to come and what's to happen. This is not just some sort of, a fake out. This is exactly what we expected. And when those ETFs are approved, that's what we can expect again. Guys, that's the market's reaction to the news of a spot Bitcoin ETF approval. So, if you were left doubting, if you were left wondering, if you're concerned about what will happen if an ETF is approved or disapproved, look at the price action we saw today. If an ETF is approved, Shiba Inu Coin will soar in value. If an ETF is denied, Shiba Inu Coin could fall even further in value. So please just keep that in mind as use it as a template as to what's to come in the cryptocurrency space and how Shiba Inu Coin is going to react to the Bitcoin ETF news. Now, on top of that, we can break that down a little bit further and try to get exactly what happened in another video, but I want to talk about a 235% soar or rise, increase, jump in the burns of Shiba Inu Coin. Now, everybody knows that when you're comparing small numbers to small numbers, even changes that don't result in billions being burned can still do what they did here and increase the Shiba Inu Coin burn rate by 235%. So this is an article out there on Today, and it says that Shiba Inu SHIB shows potential as burnt tokens hit a recent high. Shiba Inu is starting the week on a positive note as its deflationary metric, the burn rate, just soared to an unprecedented level. We've seen the burn rate much higher than 265%. Let me tell you that right there. These guys get a little bit ahead of themselves when they come to writing these articles. Per data from SHIB Burn, the burn rate is up by more than 283% at the moment, with a total of 55.4 million Shiba Inu coin being burned over the last 24 hours. If you guys remember back at the beginning of 2022 when we had that burn portal, the Shiba Inu coin team was going to be giving Ryoshi Vision rewards out for, we were burning 1 billion Shiba Inu coin per day. We took out 30 billion Shiba Inu coin in a 1-month period for those Ryoshi Vision rewards. And that was when the price was much, much higher than it is right now. So knowing that these are not unprecedented levels, but they are an indicator that people are still committed and people are still willing to burn a lot of Shiba Inu coin even during these bear markets. It says, according to the review of SHIB burn data, there are more wallets involved in the incineration of these SHIB tokens than before. Tiny chunks of tokens, rather than lump sums, are now being burned, showing the deflationary tendencies of Shiba Inu are becoming more decentralized. And that's a good sign, right? It's one thing to have a major project out there burning 1 billion Shiba Inu coin once a month, but everybody getting involved. These tiny little transactions, people are burning $1, $2 at a time. And all of a sudden, those $1, $2 at a time, they begin to add up. Now we're seeing, what is this? $350 worth, 50 million is about $350 worth of Shiba Inu coin being burned here. 55 million being taken out of circulation over the last 24 hours. Now, guys, I don't expect, and I'm not even going to finish the article there, but we shouldn't expect 50 million Shiba Inu coins sent to the burn wallet to have any impact whatsoever on the overall price of Shiba Inu coin. Why? It's not even a fraction of a percent of the overall value. When you're talking $300 compared to the $4 billion market cap, it's not enough to make a difference. So what do we know that is enough? Circling back to the beginning of this video, that Bitcoin spot ETF. When that gets approved, the market is going to rally around that news. We're going to have the initial shock and the initial excitement surrounding that ETF approval. And then over the long term, we're going to have more and more and more institutional money flowing back into the cryptocurrency space, driving the price of Bitcoin, Shiba Inu coin, and all of the other cryptocurrencies higher as well. So I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. What do you think about that Bitcoin ETF? And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. Free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.